Hi traders, welcome back to Rev Daily Traders Weekly Focus. We'd like to thank all of you guys for the support that you're giving us for viewing our forecast. Okay, if you are new guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and do support our channel, guys. Okay, also click that notification bell to all so that you can get these videos every time we publish for you guys. Okay, and also don't forget, guys, to like, comment below and share these videos. Okay, there are many traders who maybe get help from us, guys. Okay, we're going to start with gold, guys. We're going to look at 4-hour time frame. We also added some pairs, guys. We got some emails for dollar pairs. Okay, so we added pound dollar, we added NZD and Aussie dollar. Okay, so we're going through those pairs also. Do stay with us. We won't take long. We're going to check only for our time frame on what we are expecting when the market opens and the following days. Okay, we're going to start with gold, guys. Let's get to the business of today. On gold, guys, if you remember, we were looking for this demand to hold. Okay, so the market didn't hold this demand, guys. Okay, because we were expecting the market to push up here, then a drop again. We were expecting that on our trading room. Okay, but the market did break lower here, guys. Okay, up until this demand. We are not in this much big sell because we're looking for our buys there before our drop. Okay, then from here we expected the market to correct for us to take the drop. Okay, then the market gave us a signal here, guys, after getting this correction. Okay, it did give us a pullback here, then came back aggressively down, then a corrective structure. Okay, then that gave us a drop. So we did take a drop from that price. Okay, from this price, guys. Okay, so it respected this supply, also this supply. So now what next for next week? You'll watch for, if you are not in the sell from here or even here, guys, you let the market to give you a corrective structure to continue downside, guys. We're expecting more downside to expose that demand. Okay, we're expecting that demand, then this can tend to be a double bottom. Okay, then for us to continue upside, but we'll update you when times goes, guys. Okay, so do trade with care on gold. We're going to our next pair, that will be NAS100. Right, on NAS100, what we are having, guys, here, we're having this 13. Okay, so if you didn't take a sell here, there was a nice drop there for you to take to this demand. Okay, then you'll be looking for another up move. So we didn't get that up move, then we were not in this drop. Okay, we're looking for our up moves again. So from here, guys, we saw that the market, okay, is going to give us this respect on this trend line. So after touching that trend line, that downtrend line, then there were prices that we were expecting for it to be exposed. Then we took our buys again to expose that supply. Okay, this supply. So now we're expecting for us to go down again. Okay, so why to go down again? We're expecting to expose these prices first before we take off again on NAS100. Okay, so what next now? You'll wait for the market to give you a correction here, guys. So we pull back, then another drop, guys. Okay, then this can give you also a double bottom for you to go up again. Then you'll be expecting a corrective structure to continue upside, guys. Okay, because this is a signal for buy, okay? A little buy or a pullback, guys, okay? So do trade with care on NAS100. We'll go to our next pair, guys. Let's go to our next pair. That will be GER30. Right, on GER30, what we are having on GER30, guys, we're correcting here, guys, okay? That corrective structure, we're expecting to get that aggressive move. So we got that aggressive move, guys. Then the market did stuck here again, okay? It did respected this zone, expected that zone. So now we'll get a pullback, come and expose that demand again. Then we expect to push up again, okay? This is a demand we are talking about. Expect a demand there to be respected, okay? So what next now on GER30? What you'll need to do, guys, you'll expect a corrective structure there for you to continue upside, downside, guys, okay? Expect a pullback here for you to continue downside, come and expose this demand, okay? Expecting to expose that demand, or if we get a breakout again, come and expose this demand. So our structure will be this structure, okay? So we'll be expecting more downside when the market opens, guys, okay? Even though the market push aggressively here, we'll be looking for your small buys here, guys, okay? A small buys, then we can manage your trade here. You can push aggressively to upside when it breaks this zone, okay? So do trade with care. We'll be expecting more downside on GER30. Then we get another push up there, okay? Because this will be your pullback for more buys, okay? So do trade with care, guys. Go to our next pair. That will be $ZAR. Right, on $ZAR, we'll be expecting your still bias to upside, guys, okay? On $ZAR is not giving any sell setup at the current state. We're expecting more downside, okay? Remember, we're biased to these zones, biased from there. Then we got another correction here for us to take the trade there, okay? This was a small profit trade, okay? After getting this pullback and push up there, we took our stop below there and put it right there for a small profit, guys, okay? Then it pushed up again, then we took our, it's how you manage your trade, guys. You take a bid on the market, then you let the market to unfold on itself, okay? So what next now, next week? We'll let, because we're having there a supply. The market can give you a smaller correction there, okay? If you see that correction, put your limit there, put your stop here. You'll be having that trade, okay? We'll be expecting that buy to complete before we see if the market is going to push lower again, okay? So do trade with care on $ZAR, guys. Let's go to our next pair. That will be EUR30. Right, on EUR30, what we're expecting on EUR30, guys. This is going to be a bit tricky, guys, okay? But we'll be expecting a correction there, guys, to continue upside, okay? Or if you see the market gives you a break here, then we'll be expecting a corrective structure here to continue more upside, okay? The pair is currently trading upside for now, okay? It's not giving us any sign of any drop, okay? Because from here we were looking for our drops, expecting the market to respect that supply to drop here to complete this pattern, this running flag pattern, to continue upside, but we didn't get that drop. Then now we'll be expecting the market to correct here to complete that running flag that we're expecting. If not, then we'll be expecting the market to push up here, give us a smaller correction similar to this correction, guys, okay, to continue upside to expose that zone. Then from there, we'll be looking for our drops again on Euro OD, okay? So do trade with care on Euro OD, guys, okay? Then we're going to our next pair, that will be Euro USD. Right, on Euro USD, it was interesting, guys. After this drop, the market did give us a 1, 2, 3 structure there, okay? This 1, 2, 3 structure to continue downside. We are having this demand, guys. We did hold that demand the past week on Friday, okay? Then we took a buy to break that roof. Then from there, we're looking for our selling opportunities there, okay? Then if you are not in a sell from this zone, do expect a corrective structure here, then continue downside, okay? You'll be expecting to continue downside on Euro USD, okay? Then if you are looking for a buy, guys, a buy, the current state is not favorable, but if you get that, we're having this demand there, okay? Then we let on lower time frame to give you an impulse there, a corrective structure, then you can take the trade, okay? That trade, you can first look for this zone first, because you can get a drop there, okay? But if you manage your trade well, put your stop when the market has given you much room to put your stop, then you can put your stop there, let the market to unfold for this zone or prices, okay? Then from there, we'll be looking for another drop on Euro USD. But at the current state, we'll be expecting a corrective structure, then a drop to come and expose this demand, okay? Expecting this demand to be respected. Then we're going to our next pair. That will be, let's go to our next pair, guys. That will be pound dollar. Right, on pound dollar, we are having the market, we're in a buy there, okay? Right. After getting that correction, we took our buys there, okay? That buy to come and expose that supply. So now, what next, guys? If you are not in the sell from that zone, you'll expect the price to give you a correction around that zone, okay? Then you look first, the first TP here, then this will be your second TP, okay? This demand there will be your second TP, guys, okay? Expecting to break that floor and respect this zone, okay? Then from here, we'll update you again. We'll be having this search pattern. Then we can expect more upside on pound dollar, because this will be your 1, 2, 3. Then an upside. This is our impulse, guys, okay? Because here we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Then we got another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So we'll be expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure around here, guys, okay? Around there, then we take off to upside. So do trade with care on pound dollar, guys, okay? Then let's go to our next pair, that will be NZD USD. Right, on NZD USD, guys, it's still trading down on NZD USD, okay? We've got that first touch here, we've got this second touch, we've got the third touch here, okay? So from here, do expect a corrective structure here from this zone, then to continue downside to expose that zone, okay? Will be biased to downside on NZD USD, guys, okay? So if you are looking for buy at the current state, there's no buy at the current state, guys, okay? What you need is you need for you to watch for the correction, then a drop on NZD USD. So do trade with care, guys, on Euro NZD USD. This will be our last pair, guys. Aussie USD. Right, on Aussie USD, we'll be expecting it's also trading downside on Aussie USD, guys, okay? So on this pair, we're expecting, because we expected the price to push up there, come and expose that price, then a drop, but you didn't get that, guys. Okay, trading is a patient game, guys. Okay, so we'll be expecting a corrective structure here, come and expose that zone, then a drop, a continuation drop from there. Then from here, if you find a aggressive move, you'll be expecting a push again on Aussie USD. Okay, so do trade with care, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video up until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, guys, the video, and like if you find this content interesting, guys. You also help other traders. Okay, we'll see you next week, guys. To trade with care, to be disciplined all the time, be patient all the time, guys. Okay, thank you, guys.